Hey everyone, I'm Tom. This is the new Nest Audio, and it is supposed to have quote-unquote amazing quality of sound. Let's see, shall we? Like many Google Nest products, this was a very minimal unboxing experience. Inside the box is the speaker on the top, the power supply tucked beneath it, and the user manual below the speaker. That is it. The speaker is heavy, looks pleasant to the eye, and is covered in cloth-like fabric of some kind. Visible behind are the mute switch and the power socket. No, it is not a USB-C, but a stick-like plug, so the length of the cable the power supply comes with is something you will have to make work for you. The setup process starts with downloading the Google Home app, that is if you do not already have it installed on your phone. First thing first, make sure the speaker is powered up before starting the setup process. Once it is plugged in, go to the Google Home app, tap on the plus sign located on the top left of the screen, then set up new device and allow the app to discover the speaker. If you happen to have more than one speaker like I do not power up the second one just yet. Set up one speaker at a time to avoid unnecessary confusions. The app will guide you through the whole process. Just follow the screen all the way through and you will be done in no time. At the end of the setup process, you will most likely be prompted about the speaker software update. Nothing to worry about, just let the app do its work. In my case, it took less than a minute to complete. If you happen to have the second speaker and you wish to have both of them in the same room to be able to play stereo, go through the same setup process again with the second speaker, and once you're done, you can then pair the speakers together. The new Google Audio looks good enough to fit in just about any setup. May that be a table or a shelf. They function the same way any other Google smart speaker does, reacting to appropriate commands and delivering information the user asks for. Hey Google, what's the time?
It's 2:51 p.m.
Hey Google, what's the weather like outside?
Currently in Calgary it's -6 degrees and mostly sunny. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecasted high of -4 and a low of -9. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's -10.
Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Prepare to chuckle, or groan. How do you start the Teddy Bear Olympics? Ready, Teddy, go.
Thank you.
That's what I'm here for.
As for the sound quality, let's rewind a bit. The Nest Audio, or the Google Audio, as some may call it, was announced at the end of September this year and was released shortly after at the beginning of October. I have been using these for a little while now and I'm a tad disappointed, and here is why. On Google Store, there are some bold claims made regarding the speakers. Quote unquote, hear music the way it should sound with crisp vocals and powerful bass. I found that at least half of that statement is, to put politely, inaccurate. My question to that statement would be, compared to what? I agree that the Nest Audio sounds better than, say, a bagpipe. But then again, so does wildebeest's mating calls. And not to be too harsh, the speakers sound fine until around halfway of the available volume range. That's where the bass stops dead and the high and the middle sounds keep going. The result is quite odd. So if you plan on using these speakers at relatively low volumes, you're good. That was my honest opinion based on my time spent with these speakers. If you found this video informative and useful, please do not shy away from liking and subscribing. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, take care.